So I got some shallots. You can't beat shallots. If you are having problems with bland food like your eggs or your omelets or anything like that, get you some shallots. They're the best to enhancing flavor, and they're basically just onion and garlic infused, which everyone knows onion and garlic go good. I think I'm gonna fry some chicken. We rarely ever eat fried chicken because we're just eating healthier now. So I got some cabbage because I'll make some smothered cabbage, and then I got some orange peach mango juice. And I got a Babe loves pork, but I have to like limit her how much pork she can eat. So I got some pork shoulder pork, boneless pork shoulder picnic roast, and that's just good to make like shredded pork or pulled pork. There we go. And this is a perfect size for us because this is about 3 pounds. Almost 3.5 pounds, but this is a perfect size because you can even make this up and eat it. You can make tacos, you can make a pulled pork sandwich, you can make nachos, you can do a lot of different things with pork, and you can even freeze the done pork once you cooked it. I usually go to Trader Joe's and get Brussels sprouts, but like I said, Walmart won today. So I got some Brussels sprouts, and I do not put them in a bag, steam them in this bag. I actually do it myself. They didn't have the whole ones like I like it. They had the halves, and that's okay. So I either saute them in a wok, or I put them over the, I'm trying to see, what did I put them over? Oh, I put them in a pan on some parchment paper with a little bit of EVOO, some balsamic vinaigrette, and some different types of seasonings. Got us some Babe likes pastrami, so I got her some pastrami, and then I got me some Cajun turkey, or Cajun chicken. I am not drinking water. I'm not drinking drinks anymore, so this is delicious. So I just picked that up at the Owl. And I got these because the Donnie and all the other ones are like $5. And I love Suavitel, I guess. I love this, and this was new, and it smells amazing. Picked up some broccoli cheddar soup because I was too lazy to actually make my own from Panera at home for lunches sometime. Buttermilk. Buttermilk is a staple in our home because and I picked up some regular rice because I love rice for breakfast. So no worries. Our power just went out for some reason. What the fuck? Okay, I'll be right back. All right, I'm gonna have to just do this quickly because it's a windstorm happening right now, so it just knocked out everybody in the complex's power. I just called the front office. So sorry guys, baby called me, so let me try now. Okay, so anywho, this is life. If you do not have some of this, their seasonings are amazing. The Fiesta brand. And this is the extra fancy garlic pepper with parsley, and it's amazing. And you can put it on just about anything, honestly. I put it on my fish, I put it on my meat, my pork. See? And I mix it even with veggies. Amazing with veggies. And then got some sour cream for I don't know what. Heavy whipping cream is a staple. And this is my favorite rice right now. The brown and wild. It's so amazing. And tissue. Let's see. I got some ciabatta bread from Sam's, and it's like, it feels amazing. Like, if you have a Sam's by you, go get you some ciabatta bread. It's really amazing. And we use this for sandwiches, and they're really good on breakfast sandwiches. And one roll is about 200 calories. Sorry guys, we're having a windstorm right now, so our power is out. They said most of the city's power is out right now, so yeah. I'm trying to preserve my battery on my phone too, so I'm just being productive because I don't know when the power's going to get back from this windstorm. pop chips. I'm addicted to pop chips. I cut off eating regular potato chips, and this has been a welcome substitute. And they had these at Sam's, Asiago and black pepper. I haven't tried them yet, but we shall see. And if you're ever trying to like get away from fried foods and things like that, these pop chips, but you like potato chips, because I love potato chips, these are a really good substitute. There is no added preservatives, no artificial flavors, no synthetic colors, no cholesterol, 0 grams of trans fat, and it's gluten-free as well. And if you look at it, you can have 17 of these chips for 120 calories. And the calories from fat is 45. And then just look at this. No 0.5 of saturated fat, no trans fat. The sodium, it's only 8% of your daily value. And you still get you get a little bit of proteins. And the sugar is 1 gram of sugar per serving. So, trying to get my camera to focus for you guys. There we go. So, my rule, if I don't understand the first 5 ingredients, then I don't get it. But it's dried potato, sunflower, and or safe flour, oil, rice flour, seasoning, so like a cheese, and then salt and stuff. So it's not bad. So I'm just saying, everything in moderation. And so I got that. Babe probably like that, and I couldn't resist. This was on sale for this fruit bowl. Was on sale for, I think, $8, and it's honeydew, cantaloupe, and pineapples. They had this big thing of strawberries, the Driscoll's strawberries, for $5, and they were really sweet. I just tried it in the car when I wiped it off with some water, rinsed off with some water. And this bottle of Prosecco, sparkling Moscato. I thought I got the Prosecco, but I got the Moscato. So anyways, Moscato Astoria, and I like the little sparkling Moscato. And I got this uncured turkey bacon. Babe and I have cut out basically eating, things that are not, good for you, so we can't just cut out bacon, because we both like bacon, but she likes bacon more than me. I actually like sausage better, but I already got some turkey sausages in the freezer, and this is some uncured turkey bacon, and it looked amazing. And so it's no MSGs, gluten-free, 80% less fat, and it's 45 calories per 1 slice, and 0 trans fat, 200 milligrams of sodium, so it's like 8%. So if you ate 2, it'll be 16%, and it's 6 grams of protein, so that's really good. And so everything's all natural, no added hormones. It's not preserved. Nothing of that stuff added that you get in other stuff that's not uncured. And so, but yeah, so I got this, and I think this was like $8.98. And I love turkey bacon, especially good turkey bacon, because there's only a few really good ones that you're like, okay, I'm eating turkey bacon, but you can't tell I'm eating turkey bacon. You know what I mean? So let's see. And I got this steak. Sorry, I'm having to focus the camera a lot. I got this steak and beef top loin sirloin strip boneless. So it'll just be good. And this can probably be 2 meals, because I'll just cut this in half and then cut the other one in half too. So it'll be 2 meals for Bae and I. And then I love going there and getting some salmon from there. And this one was about 1.5 pounds, and it was about $14. And that's pretty good for salmon. That's pretty damn good, because if you go to the store, it's gonna be probably about $8.99 a pound. So if you was to get 1.5 pounds, you're looking at about the same price, but that's pretty good. And this one is $8.98 a pound, so that's not bad. So got salmon, because we love salmon, love it. And then I cannot go and not get their chicken thighs because they're amazing. Doing the chicken breast. And so I try to get organic, but you really can't beat basically 4 pounds of meat for $8.98. You really can't beat that. So, oh, forgot I got to bring it up here because the light's off. And I got some, let's see. I got some of that. They had these on sale at Walmart. And no antibiotics or anything like that. Nothing added. And I'm going to show you guys this new juice that I got. I like purity juices. And Babe loves juices. So this wasn't bad though. Because basically, sorry I sat down. You get 4 bottles of Strawberry Paradise, 4 bottles of Organic Mango Paradise, and 4 bottles of Watermelon Strawberry Aid. I'm not a big fan of watermelon, but strawberry kind of will make me reconsider it. So it's 100% organic, and it's bottled organic juices and purees, no artificial flavors or colors, no GMO free and gluten free. So, and you can drink this whole. I think there are 12 ounces. Hold on, 12 ounces for The strawberry is 120, and the orange mango paradise is 110, and then the watermelon strawberry is 60. So, sure, babe would like these. She probably would be like, why didn't you get 2? So, anyways, I think I'm going to cook. I'm gonna cook chicken teriyaki today. I think that's what I'm cooking, or sesame chicken. I think that's what I'm cooking. Sesame chicken, and sticky rice. And we'll go from there. So if I cook tonight, I will get back on here so I can video some of that for you guys, and then we will go from there. Hope you guys are having a great day.